that will be used against you. I see. So he's also charged with abandonment. Is it out of the same transaction?
Yeah,
Now that we've seen the full sequence of events, let's break down what actually happened in this case and why it matters. Mr. Kubler was charged with a second DWI offense, and on paper, this could have resulted in significant legal consequences, including jail time and a $4,000 fine. But as the transcript reveals, the investigation itself was fraught with procedural gaps. There were no field sobriety tests conducted, and the credibility of the eyewitness, whose observations included stumbling, slurred speech, and alcohol in the breath, was not formally evaluated in the documentation. This is an important point because in any DWI case, the officer's documentation and the reliability of witness accounts are crucial for establishing probable cause. Without solid evidence, the legal foundation for prosecution becomes shaky. And we also see a particularly striking element: the officers report inconsistencies and missing information. The transcript includes moments of almost comedic frustration from the judge, questioning how probable cause could be determined when the official reports are incomplete or poorly written. This is a reminder that in legal proceedings, the quality of documentation can be just as decisive as the events themselves. Procedural accuracy protects both defendants and the public, and when it fails, it creates ambiguity that can influence case outcomes dramatically. The judge's approach here is both stern and pragmatic. He emphasizes the very real dangers of driving under the influence, referencing the county's leading statistics in alcohol-related collisions and fatalities, but he also recognizes the procedural shortcomings. Instead of jumping to a severe punishment, he issues a clear directive: prioritize public safety, avoid reckless behavior, and be accountable for one's actions. This is a nuanced ruling. It underscores the law's focus on deterrence and responsibility, not just punishment. From a broader perspective, this case illustrates several key lessons. First, public safety is paramount, and even minor lapses in reporting can have serious consequences. Second, eyewitness accounts and field sobriety tests play a critical role in determining culpability, and without them, prosecutions can falter. Finally, the judge's commentary shows that courts are not only enforcing the law, but educating defendants about the real-world consequences of their choices. For viewers, the takeaway is clear: every decision behind the wheel matters. The law is rigorous, but it's also human, balancing evidence, responsibility, and real-life stakes. This case is a reminder that even small oversights like improperly documented reports or misjudged levels of intoxication can dramatically affect outcomes. It also highlights the importance of legal clarity, accountability, and personal responsibility. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. Each case we examine gives you a window into the complex interplay of law, human behavior, and public safety, and this one is a perfect example of why attention to detail in the courtroom is everything.